Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to PayPay update. And oh man, I'm so proud of what I did. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of what I did because I saved a bunch of people's money from being wasted from this coin. Okay, now I'm gonna show you why and how did this happen. So this video right here, I actually created one video for you specially, and look how many people watched it. 1,300 people were able to save their money. If of course, if they were traders and they needed someone to do TA for them. So if you're a beginner who is investing blindly, I would actually say follow me for a while. I'm actually gonna make your life a little bit better. Okay, I've been here for 6 years. At least I can actually help you earning and saving, if not earning. But the thing is that 13 days ago I posted the video, and I'm just going to tell you what exactly
lower the RSI is actually going. This is a bearish divergence. It's not good. And it's a proof, okay? It's a proof that people are selling. Those people, big players who are actually invested in this coin, are selling. And when they sell, that's when you get the divergence, which is a bearish divergence. So you cannot deny that. And another thing is that soon enough, maybe we could do something like this, go up, try to break above, and then finally drop to the downside, or maybe just drop from here and then go to the downside. So what you need to see to go down is a move down, break, come for the retest, and then probably go all the way down. And your technical target is going to be 1433, which could actually be a very big dramatic drop. Next thing is,
okay, so this, and not only did I do that, but there's one more thing I want to tell you. In my Discord, I posted this on 22 of July, and I say that leave a like, this is PayPay, and I already gave the trading idea. Now, this basically, if you're a trader who actually knows how to trade, it's time consuming for you to find a chart pattern, and I do this for you. If you had someone who can actually do this for you, and you might think, what is this guy even talking about? What is going on? This image right here gave almost $380 to traders. This image right here, for absolutely free, is worth $380. It's even maybe worth $3,800 depending on how much you trade. So if you traded with $1,000, right now PayPay has been down. So I gave the trade idea that yes, you can get this one and you can start to fall to the downside. And for those people who actually took that trade and they did further investigation, it's not a signal. Okay, it's not a signal, it's just a trade idea if you're a trader. So here it is. Okay, break to the downside, go back, get rejection, and start to fall to the downside. And of course the technical targets are basically near 1695, and this is where the main target is going to be, right over here. Now basically at that point when I was posting the video, the idea, PayPay was at this price. This was 3,400, and then if we try to measure anyone who entered the trade after the breakdown, this was from there to there, and probably 42%, man. $420. So if you want to be a part of Discord for absolutely free, comment the word Discord on this video, and I'm going to just give you the link to join in a second. So you don't have anything to lose, man. And that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.